Management doesn't care how good your code is. And unfortunately, it is true. I've heard this from supervisors, other developers, and I've seen it myself. I've worked with many code bases that were fine, but some were just dreadful. One project I worked with had a single file, over 4,000 lines long. Inside it, UI logic, business logic, database queries, all mixed together. And to make it worse, every method had side effects. And honestly, that wasn't even the worst code I've seen. Now, disclaimer, I've written horrendous code too, early in my career. Maybe still do sometimes. But the reality is, these kinds of apps are everywhere. It is like buying a cheap car that consumes fuel like a rocket engine, breaks all the time, and dangerous to drive. Would management really want to have that? One more interesting fact. According to the 2024 Stack Overflow Developer Survey, the number one frustration for developers is the amount of technical debt. What a surprise. To be fair, sometimes rushing bad code makes sense. Maybe a feature has to be delivered fast or the company loses $1 million. Fine. But outside of those emergencies, is it worth building something that painful to maintain? In the end, management doesn't care how elegant your code is. What they care about is business impact, costs, risks, and delivery speed. As developers, our job is to bridge that gap, write code that's good enough to keep products stable, and explain to management why quality matters when cost of bad code starts adding up. Okay, that's it from me. How do you think? Comment below. See you on the next one.